Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you the niche, I want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. One is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners on Merch or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And then I also have a Redbubble course. It's a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble as well, only $19.99. In this one, you get 20 lessons, and it's also over an hour of content. Also good for people that are new onto Redbubble or for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 10,000 sales, and I've done over $35,000 in royalties. And when we look at my credentials on Redbubble, you're going to see over the summer I did $266 in May, $317 in June, and $248 in July. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have the links in the pinned comment. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the content of the video or the niche. And the niche that I have for you today is fall vibes and that nurse life. You will see here that there's only 924 results. It's under my benchmark of 1,000. And when we look at some of what the designs look like, you kind of get an idea. So it's basically a cross niche of fall and nurse. So you can see they're using some clip art graphics of like the pumpkin spice, the pumpkin with the leopard print, and also some nurse graphics as well. And if we look at these first two listings right here, we will see that these were recently uploaded a couple months ago in July 2022, July 2022, and they both have BSRs. This one has a good one of only $6.95. And when we look at this, if we go to test and we look to see if this phrase is trademarked, we can type it in, fall vibes and that nurse life. We hit enter. We will see that nothing pops up right here. And when we go ahead and we look at the competition on some of the other print-on-demand sites, so if we go to Etsy, we're going to see that there's only 1,000 results. A lot of the results here are actually PNG files, and you might even be able to use these PNG files onto Merch. You just want to make sure that you check the description and make sure that you're allowed to use these for commercial rights. So just check the description. Usually they will say how you can use it for personal use or for commercial use. And if we go to Redbubble, you will see that this phrase, it's actually trending on Redbubble. So it has a little ticker going up, the arrows, that means it's trending. And there's only 412 results. And the design styles are actually a lot different than what I saw on Merch and Amazon, except for this one right here. And when we go to TeePublic, and we look at the competition on TeePublic, we'll see that there's very little. It's only like half the page. And I thought this would be a good way to attack this niche, to be kind of different and not just do what everybody else is doing, like with this type of design, but maybe use the messy bun graphic because it's very relevant to nurses. Maybe you can go to Etsy and just type in like messy bun fall, and you might be able to get like a messy bun that you could use. Again, just check the description, make sure you're allowed to use it for commercial use, and then you can just basically do a similar design kind of like this, just with a different type of messy bun design. So that might be something to consider. You can also go to Vexels and just type in, like I typed in autumn. And so like right here, let me get rid of this. Oops. So I thought this was a kind of a good, could be another option as well. If you go to Vexels, you can get some good clip art and graph. What the heck is going on here? Let me get rid of this. Sorry about that. There we go. So like maybe you could download this file right here, and you can just get rid of the text, and you can add the text right here where it says fall vibes and that nurse life. Maybe just add in maybe some type of nurse graphic. And that is basically going to be the niche for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I make videos on a regular basis about trending niches and also niche design ideas. If you go to my channel right here, you will see that I have other videos giving you some other ideas. So if you're looking for other trending niches, if you're stuck on don't know what to design for, take a look at some of my recent uploads. You can also go to some of my recent playlists to get some ideas. Like I said, if you're into this kind of content, consider subscribing. And if you are into, or if you want to purchase one of my courses, the links will be in the description. All right, so that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.